Oh. Start it, kickstart it.
I gotta feel I'm gonna fuck this up.
You're gonna go straight up.
Gotta keep it going.
He's gonna go straight up and get it off. Go straight up.
I'm saying back to this. Move, Jeremy. Jeremy.
Hold the clutch.
Hold in the clutch. Hold in the clutch. Oh my
Oh,
God.
you gotta shift down, then go?
No, you're pulling the clutch.
And then shift
This is
down.
definitely going on YouTube. That's retro man.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I got retro man.
That's funny.
And it's gonna take 3 days to start the bike. Hey, hey.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright, try number 2.
Keep it going. Don't be scared. Keep it going.
We're clutching, clutch! Hold it! Hold the clutch!
Shift down. Shift down. Keep it going.
I did!
Keep it going more.
I'm going out 1:30 here.
Keep it going more if you have to.
That's good. Say hi to this guy for me.
I wouldn't start slow with him. I'm backing up. Let out the clutch slowly and give it gas.
Gas. Keep going with the gas.
Let out.
Not going anywhere.
You gotta let out the clutch.
I let go like this and it wasn't moving.
It's not gonna move till you let it out completely.
Yeah.
No, watch.
That's how I ended up dumping it.
You gotta feel where it takes off.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Let it out until you feel it start to move.
She thinks she knows what she's talking about.
There's the next Ricky Carmichael.
Let it out until it goes. Keep it steady like this. Steady. We'll push that stuff first. Pull the clutch.
No, pull the clutch. Shift down. Let out the clutch.
Let out the clutch and give it gas.
Try and keep it steady. Hold on.
Just let it dump it.
Dump it.
Just get let it let go. Just let it let go.
Let go. Let go.
Pick it up.
I need balance.